Hello dear students. So in the last video we have been discussing about the unemployment problem and disguised unemployment. Yes, I hope you all might be remembering that disguised unemployment, a place where it seems that people are employed but in reality they are not employed. ऐसा लगता है कि they are employed but they actually are not employed. On a 2 acre of land when so many people are working, तो उसको disguised unemployment ही कहेंगे. अभी in the last video we discussed that according to the statistic unemployment rate is low, लेकिन large number of people are having a very low income. So what happens in India, children, that people whatever work they are getting, they just take up that job. Nobody wants to sit idle ना. काम सबको मिलना चाहिए, सा काम सबको ही करना चाहता है. It is not that just sitting idle at home, but the people who are working, they hardly try to understand that the income that is there, the money that they are earning, and the productivity, whatever work they are doing, what would be the output, ये सोचे बिना कि कितना पैसा मिलेगा, कितना उसका रिजल्ट होगा, कितना उसकी इनकम होगी. द पीपल आर जस्ट एमलेसली वर्किंग. तो ऐसा लगता है, इट सीम्स, देखो इट इज़ वेरी क्लियरली मैंशनड हियर, दे अपीयर टू वर्क थ्रू आउट द ईयर, बट इन टर्म्स ऑफ जितना वो कर सकते हैं, द पोटेंशियल एंड द इनकम, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट उनकी जो क्षमता है, पोटेंशियल, व्हाट इज पोटेंशियल? पोटेंशियल इज देयर एबिलिटी टू वर्क. So that potential and income is not according to their energy levels. I mean, what I want to say is that they are capable of doing much more than that. They are capable of doing far better than that. So the work that they are pursuing, मतलब जो काम वो कर रहे हैं, whatever work they are doing, it seems forced upon them. ज़बरदस्ती ही ऐसा है, लगता है ना, जैसे they are doing it forcefully. So many a times it happens that the people who are involved in some or the other work, they want other work their choice. कुछ वो काम करना चाहते हैं, but अभी जो काम कर रहे हैं वो उनके मन का नहीं है. They want to change. And one thing, just see very nicely it is mentioned here, poor people cannot afford to sit idle. They tend to engage in any activity. किसी भी काम को वो करते हैं, irrespective of its earning potential. कितना पैसा मिल रहा है, क्या है, that is not their major concern. They are not concerned with that. Their earning keeps them on a bare subsistence level. Bare subsistence. Got it, children? जहाँ वो सिर्फ अपना रोटी दाल का इंतज़ाम कर पाते हैं, that is subsistence. How they are arranging for their daily income. Just see now, what does this photograph signify? What is the person doing? He is a cobbler. Got it? Now, how much did you pay when you asked him to mend your shoes or slippers? कभी जूता बनवाया है? ज़रूर बनवाया होगा चिल्ड्रन. दैट द शूज़, उसका बकल्स कभी को टूट जाता है या कभी उसके सोल में कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है. तो हाउ मच, इफ़ यू रिमेंबर, हाउ मच हैव यू पेड दिस पर्सन? 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees? Not more than that, my dear children. Imagine. So this is what is explained here. The employment structure, यहाँ पे the person who is employed is characterized by self-employment in the primary sector. Primary sector में what happens? People are tend to engage in any activity. थोड़ा जहाँ से भी थोड़ा सा भी इनकम की एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है, wherever they feel like they can earn something, they just get involved into it. वो ये नहीं सोचते हैं कितने पढ़े लिखे हैं, उनके लेवल का काम है नहीं है. नो, that is not the major thing. The major thing that comes to their mind is just doing some earning. whole family contributes in the field, even though they not everybody is not really needed. Okay, पूरा का पूरा परिवार काम कर रहा है, ज़रूरत नहीं है. 10 people are there, 10 लोग फील्ड में जाके दिन भर क्या काम करेंगे, बट they tend to go and work. This kind of employment where the whole family is involved, try to understand my dear children, it is called as disguised unemployment. काम तो कर रहे हैं but it is of no use, especially in the agricultural sector. Entire family is getting whatever is being produced. ठीक है. So sharing of work in the field, you can just see whatever they are working in the field, produce is raised. So unemployment in the rural sector is decreased because of these efforts. Got it? So अभी क्या हो रहा है, that although the whole family is employed there, the whole family is doing some or the other work, लेकिन the poverty is not going low. हाँ, गरीबी कम नहीं हो रही है, उतने ही गरीब हैं. Still they are lacking short of money, where they feel like they can they have to spend some money, they can earn some money, they can have a comfortable living is not there. And they always keep on thinking कि इतना काम करने के बाद भी गरीबी दूर क्यों नहीं हो रही है. So children, the answer lies here. Surplus labor from every household tends to migrate from the village in search of job. So 6 members are there in the family. 3 members, what do they do? Work in the field. Got it? खेतों पे काम कर रहे हैं. And what do the other 3 do? Other 3 of them, what do they do? They migrate from the village. गांव छोड़ के कहाँ चले जाते हैं? शहरों में. Now here children, because this has come in your chapter, but it was coming in my mind, I sincerely wanted to share this with you. Look at the condition that is happening in India today. What is happening? All these people, all these villagers who had gone out in search of jobs, now they are coming back to their own villages. अपने अपने गाँव में वापस आ रहे हैं. Yes children, they are coming back because they cannot stay there without earning and without having money. It is a very tough thing. Got it? So employment sector, that is there in all the 3 sectors. 3 sectors you remember, the primary, the secondary and the tertiary. So agriculture is the most labor absorbing sector of the economy. पूरी इकोनॉमी में सबसे ज़्यादा, the most people are needed in the agricultural sector. And recently what has happened, that there has been a decline in the dependence, means the population is not now dependent on agriculture only. खाली खेती का काम में ही dependent नहीं है. The population is engaged in उनको पता है कि जितनी भी खेती कर लेंगे, whatever work they do in agriculture, the output won't be satisfactory. इतना पैसा कभी भी नहीं कमा पाएंगे, that they have a very lavish living. अच्छा, now you know children, here because of the disguised unemployment. Abhi, one example is coming to my mind children. I just wanted to share it with you. The example that is coming to my mind, that this kind of a scenario is existing, is very dominant in Bihar. Just a minute children. Disguised unemployment ka scenario is there in Bihar, UP, MP, Rajasthan, got it? These are the states. Lekin the condition is just opposite in Punjab, and Haryana. Believe me children, in Punjab and Haryana, the families which are engaged in agriculture are very well off, especially in Punjab. Why Punjab has been so developed in agricultural sector? Because what happens is, whatever income they have, जितना भी उनका इनकम हो रहा है उसमें they are investing more money in improving the agriculture. अभी भी आज भी बिहार में और यूपी में आपको लोग हल चलाते हुए नज़र आ जाएंगे, बट व्हेन यू गो टू पंजाब एंड हरियाणा यू विल हार्डली फाइंड एनीवन एंगेज्ड इन द एग्रीकल्चर विथ ट्रैक्टर्स. बहुत कम लोग हैं. ऑफ कोर्स ट्रैक्टर्स आर अवेलेबल एट ऑन हायर, बट देन स्टिल यू विल फाइंड मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर एंगेज्ड इन द ट्रेडिशनल मेथड ऑफ इरिगेशन. ट्रेडिशनल. लेकिन पंजाब है, हरियाणा है, यहाँ पे आपको हर एक खेतों में, इन एवरी एग्रीकल्चरल फील्ड यू विल फाइंड ट्रैक्टर्स एंड एग्रीकल्चरल इक्विपमेंट्स, technological improvements. You know, agriculture, one of the biggest agricultural universities is there in one place in Hisar, in Haryana, called Hisar Agricultural University, HAU, Hisar, Haryana Agricultural University. Means the whole university is dedicated for the development of the farmers. नए नए मेथड्स निकालते हैं, नए नए तरीके निकालते हैं जिसमें कि द एग्रीकल्चरल सेक्टर कैन इम्प्रूव. गुड क्वालिटी सीड्स आर देयर, इंसेक्टिसाइड्स, पेस्टिसाइड्स दैट आर बीइंग यूज्ड. दे इन हरियाणा एंड पंजाब नाउ पीपल आर फ्रॉम द इनऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग. इनऑर्गेनिक एंड ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग होती है, एक इनऑर्गेनिक होती है. इनऑर्गेनिक में क्या होता है ना, यू यूज़ पेस्टिसाइड्स एंड इंसेक्टिसाइड्स, कीटनाशक का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. अब जो चीज़ें जो ऑफ कोर्स अगर आप किसी जानवर को मार रहे हैं, सपोज यू आर किलिंग एन इंसेक्ट, ओके, तो इट हैज़ टू बी पॉइजन ना. You have just put that, you have just sprinkled that insecticide on the plants. Of course, insect will die. लेकिन क्या उसका असर हमारे पर नहीं पड़ेगा? क्या उसका असर हमारी हेल्थ पे नहीं पड़ेगा? So now people are moving from inorganic farming to organic farming. Yes children, there are very traditional methods जहाँ पे आप इस तरह से गेहूँ और चावल की खेती करते हो, where you are not using any kind of a chemical is banned in organic farming. Chemical जो है, any kind of chemical is not used. Organic farming is very good. So people are now switching over to the organic farming. It just came to my mind, so I wanted to discuss it with you, my dear. So secondary or tertiary sector में what happens, small scale manufacturing is the most labor absorbing. Secondary sector में, ठीक है, कम in a very small scale manufacturing, कम सामान की भी manufacturing हो रही है, but lot of labor is needed. तो tertiary sector में what happens, that new services are now appearing. Tertiary sector में new opportunities are there, new ways and methods of making money is happening in everywhere. What are these sectors? These are biotechnology, information technology and so on. Got it? So just check it out that how changes are happening. Do you think that a person who is living in the villages might be knowing about all these things? No. That is the thing that is making difference, that people are engaged in most of the sectors, people are engaged in the primary sectors, but they are unaware about the tertiary and the secondary sectors. तो awareness लाना है, we have to bring awareness among them. अभी एक very nice story is here children. This is about a village. Yes, last chapter also we have read about the village Palampur, story of a village. Village में there are many families and इतना खाना आराम से, मतलब they are engaged in agriculture, whatever business they are doing, all the family members are able to get proper food, and each family is making their own clothes and teaching their own children. Imagine कि the families might be very well off, काफ़ी अच्छे से पैसे कमा रहे होंगे, तो क्या हो रहा है, फैमिली इज़ लुकिंग आफ्टर देयर ओन डेली चोर्स. हमेशा रोज़ की जो चीज़ों है, रोज़ की जो ज़रूरत है, उसको आराम से वो पूरा कर पा रहे हैं, खुद के कपड़े बना रहे हैं एंड बच्चों को शिक्षा भी दे रहे हैं, टीचिंग देयर ओन चिल्ड्रन एंड मेकिंग देयर ओन क्लोथ्स. So what happens is, one of the families, they decided to send one of its sons to an agriculture college. इसमें से the families who are there, one family decides that they will be sending the son to the agriculture college. Just now children, I was discussing about the agriculture college. If the son goes to the agriculture college, he will be getting a proper education, he will be coming back, and then whatever he has studied in that agricultural college, वहाँ पे उसने जो भी शिक्षा पाई है, he can very well come back and utilize that idea and utilize that knowledge in the development of agriculture in his own village. Can you imagine? किस तरह से अच्छे सीड्स यूज़ करने हैं, कहाँ पे खाद डालना है, किस तरह के खाद के इस्तेमाल से लोगों की सेहत को कोई नुकसान नहीं होगा. ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर देयर. पीपल आर वेरी वेल एंगेज्ड इन दिस. सो द बॉय, व्हाट डिड ही डू? ही गॉट हिज एडमिशन इन द नियर बाय कॉलेज. गॉट इट? मतलब कि गांव के पास ही एग्रीकल्चरल कॉलेज था. अभी येस चिल्ड्रन, आई विल टेल यू, इन दिस हरियाणा दैट आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट, there is this agricultural university, because I have seen this agricultural university, so I can very well share it with you, that the nearby areas, the agricultural output is very good. बहुत अच्छे से खेती हुई है, बहुत अच्छे से agriculture is happening, and it is because of these kind of families who are sending their children to these universities. फार्मर के बच्चे ही आके यहाँ पढ़ते हैं, किसानों के बच्चे ही पढ़ रहे हैं. येस, बिकॉज द पीपल, द चिल्ड्रन हु आर फ्रॉम द वेरी वेल ऑफ फैमिलीज, दे आर नॉट कमिंग हियर, दे आर तो गोइंग अब्रॉड ना, बाहर चले जाते हैं पढ़ने के लिए, जॉब करने के लिए. इंजीनियर्स हैं, डॉक्टर्स हैं, ये सारी चीज़ें भी हैं, ये सारे काम भी हो रहे हैं. बट देन agricultural college is one of the places which is looking after the development of agriculture. कुछ दिन के बाद क्या होता है? After some time he became qualified in agro engineering. Yes, that's also a branch. How to develop agricultural land and how to have a maximum output. Means बहुत कम पैसे इन्वेस्ट करके भी लोग काफ़ी सारा पैसा कमा सकते हैं from agriculture. And he came back to the village. गाँव में वापस आके what did he do? He proved to be so creative. पूरा whatever knowledge he has gained in the agricultural university, that he could design an improved type of plow. हल जो बैल के से जोतते हैं, और वो जो जिसमें जो ट्रेडिशनल मेथड से जो खेती करते हैं, तो ही अप्लाइड हिज माइंड टू दैट. ही वॉज वेरी क्रिएटिव एंड नए तरीके का एक प्लॉ उसने बनाया, एक हल, ड्यू टू विच द यील्ड ऑफ व्हीट इंक्रीज. यील्ड मीन्स पैदावार, उपज. जितना गेहूं पहले हो रहा था उसका दुगना गेहूं होने लग गया in the village. So now what happened? A new job of agro engineer was created and filled in the village. And imagine that the village in a whole has developed. Family in the village sold the surplus in a nearby neighboring village. ठीक है, ये जो विलेज में जो फैमिली थी, उन्होंने जो इसका पैदावार हुई, वॉट एवर वॉज द सरप्लस व्हीट, पहले 10 बोरी गेहूँ होते थे, अभी क्या हुआ 50 बोरी हुई. सो 20 सैक, 20 बोरी इन्होंने अपने लिए रखा, एंड 30 सैक दे हैव टेकन टू द नियर बाय विलेज. बहुत अच्छा इनकम हुआ. They earned very good profit which they shared among themselves. So what happened that inspired by this success, all the family, बाकी के लोग हो गए ना, बाकी के लोगों को भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. After some time held a meeting in the village. Village में इन्होंने क्या किया? They held a meeting and they all wanted to have a better. किसको अच्छा नहीं लगता है? Who doesn't want an increased income? So they wanted a better future for their children too. So now what happened? Look at the awareness that was created by one family. एक family का एक बच्चा agricultural university में जाके he gets education, he comes back and he does the changes in the village. Now the village people are requesting the पंचायत कि एक स्कूल खोला जाए village में, to open a school in the village. And they assured the पंचायत को उन्होंने क्या दिया? That they would all send their children to school. When they saw the boy who had got education there, उसने आके गांव को पूरा चेंज कर दिया. तो now other people were also inspired to send their children to the school. Each and every family, they said that they will be sending their children to the school. So the पंचायत with the help of government opened a school. तुरंत गांव में स्कूल खुल गया. Because these kind of activities government never takes time. They have to open school, they will be immediately doing that. Because people want it. People want that education should be given to the children who are there roaming about uneducated, and instead of engaging them in the primary sector, now they want that these children should grow up and get education and they should get into the tertiary sectors. Teacher का appointment किया government ने. A teacher was recruited from a nearby town. All the children started going to school. Look at the change. क्या आप देख रहे हो इस गांव में कैसे बदलाव आया? After some time, one of the families gave training to his daughter. अभी क्या हुआ? पहले खाली लड़के पढ़ रहे थे, अभी लड़कियां भी पढ़ने लग गई. Can you see? What did they do? The family members, they gave training to the daughter for tailoring. टेलरिंग के काम के लिए, माने कि दर्जी वाले काम के लिए. And she started stitching clothes. कपड़े बनाने का काम इसने शुरू किया. हल्का सा खाली, मतलब शी माइट हैव गॉट सम आइडिया, थोड़ा बहुत उसको सिलना सिलाई बुनाई आता होगा. नाउ व्हेन शी हैज़ गॉट द ट्रेनिंग, शी टुक इट अप एज अ जॉब. शी स्टार्टेड स्टिचिंग क्लोथ्स फॉर ऑल द फैमिलीज ऑफ द विलेज, फॉर एवरीवन, सबके लिए. नाउ शी वॉज स्टिचिंग क्लोथ्स एंड नाउ शी वॉन्टेड टू बाय एंड वियर वेल टेलर्ड क्लोथ्स. Every family, when they saw that, सब लोगों को लगता है ना, everybody wants to be giving a good appearance. सभी लोग अच्छा दिखना चाहते हैं. तो पैसे हैं, कपड़ों की दुकानें हैं. Now they buy the cloth from there and they get it stitched from this girl. Another new job of a tailor was created. And this again had a positive effect. It was very good. And the time of the farmers in going far for buying clothes was saved. Now farmers don't have to go very far off places ना, कपड़े अपने बच्चों के लिए, अपने लिए खरीदने के लिए. This girl is there, she is only stitching the cloth, तो अभी they don't need to go. Now what happens is that the farmers spent more time in the field and the yield of the farms went up. जितना आउटपुट था, farmers now were spending lot of time in the fields, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा काम खेतों पे कर रहे थे. Farms, yield in the farms went up and this was the beginning of prosperity. लड़के को एग्रीकल्चरल यूनिवर्सिटी में भेजा, वहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग दिलवाई, उसने आके ही इन्वेंटेड अ न्यू काइंड ऑफ अ प्लॉ, एक नए तरीके का हल निकाला. गर्ल वॉज गिवन ट्रेनिंग ऑफ मेकिंग क्लोथ्स. वहाँ देख लो, फार्मर्स हैड मोर देन व्हाट दे कुड, पहले जितना वो कमा रहे थे उससे कहीं ज़्यादा अभी वो कमा रहे थे। अब वो क्या कर सकते थे? नाउ दे कुड सेल व्हाट दे प्रोड्यूस टू अदर्स हु केम टू देयर विलेज मार्केट्स। ओके, वॉट एवर दे वर गिविंग टू अदर्स in the village markets, now they were giving it, utilizing it in their own manner. And this village which had no job opportunity, शुरू में जिनके पास जॉब नहीं था, now they have created jobs for the people who were there in the village area. You can understand, you can see how the scenario in the village has changed. Now it had many many educated people like teacher, tailor, agro engineer and many more. हम simple village का हमने example लिया है children. This is just an example. Might be this kind of a village in reality it exists children, because it is just the lack of awareness. If awareness is brought amongst the people who are there in the village, उनके अंदर अगर जागरूकता ले आएंगे तो चेंजेस विल हैपन ऑन इट्स ओन. द राइजिंग लेवल ऑफ ह्यूमन कैपिटल enabled it to evolve into a place rich. What happened? That this is story of a simple village and human capital has increased. How? Just see, teacher is there, tailor is there, agro engineer is there. पहले ये क्या कर रहे थे? पहले these people were sitting idle. आइडल नहीं मतलब भाई खेतों पे जाके काम करते. बट लुक एट द चेंजेस दैट हैड हैपेंड बिकॉज ऑफ एजुकेशनल लेवल्स. सो अ प्लेस दैट इज रिच with complex and modern economic activities have changed the complete scenario in the village. Now just see, we have completed the chapter. Look at the summary. What is the summary talking about? कि आपको ये इसमें अच्छे से बताया गया है that education and health helped in making people an asset for the economy. People, instead of becoming a liability, now they have become an asset. And we also discussed about the economic activities undertaken in 3 sectors. All the activities that were undertaken in the 3 sectors, primary, secondary and tertiary. And we also understood about the problem associated with unemployment, where there was the disguised unemployment. This also we discussed. Finally, the chapter ends with the story of a village where there was no job initially, but later on job was created and the changes happened in the village area. Got it? So now these only the question and answers are left children. We will be discussing these question answers in the next class. Till then just keep revising. Thank you children and all the best to you.